I'm at the property today, and as you can see behind me, we live in the middle of the woods. So today I'm going to be taking a look at this mini chainsaw. We use a chainsaw pretty much every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the instruction manual. You're going to have tools to change the bar, and they give you a spare bar, which is really nice. There's also a spare chain in here, which is also really nice. You're going to have a pair of gloves, the actual mini chainsaw. You're going to have a charger for the batteries that does have an indicator light. I like the ones that have an indicator light. You're going to have a pair of safety glasses, and you're going to have two 21-volt batteries. They also include a starter bottle of chain oil. It's not very much, but it's nice that they include the starter bottle. To put the chain oil in, we're going to remove this right here. We're going to put the chain oil right into this little reservoir. Yeah, that's not very much. I will be very surprised if we get any chain oil. It's fine. There's a little bit in there, but I'm going to add more later. So just so you know, when you buy this, get yourself some chain oil. Now I can tell that this chain is loose, so we're going to use this little knob here to tighten it down. So I'm going to take this part off. I took this piece off here. I'm going to take this piece off here and just check and see what's going on with it. Why is it so loose? That's better. There is a button here that you have to push in order to get it to start. So we push this button and there we go. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's cut this little tree down. Oh, that was fun. I wanted to see if this would work on a bigger log. So first I had to cut this thorny vine down and then use this for the log. This log was probably a diameter of 3 inches. Oh, fantastic. Now, as you can see, my chain did get quite loose from that, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this. What I discovered about this particular mini chainsaw is that when you tighten the chain, you have to actually remove the whole cover and kind of knock it around and then put the cover back on and retighten the actual knob. I don't know why it's doing that, but the knob, when it's fully tightened, does not tighten the chain. Not only does the charger have an indicator light, but the battery does as well. You can see that this is fully charged. If you're looking for a mini chainsaw for small jobs, this is a pretty decent option.